Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make your Windows computer run faster using the effective ways. So if your Windows is slowing down or is not running faster, then this video is for you. So let's go quick into the process. First method is we are going to disable the unnecessary startup applications. Now how can we do that? In the Windows search bar, type here Task Manager. Now that will appear under the best match, then you just have to go ahead and click on that. Now maximize this. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Startup Apps, that's under App History. Then here, change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup applications enabled on your Windows. Then once you have changed the status from enabled to disabled, you just have to simply disable all the unnecessary or unimportant startup applications by right-clicking on it and then select disable. Right-click disable. Right-click disable. Right-click disable. Right-click disable. Right-click disable. And then right-click disable. Once done, simply close this window. Then in the Windows search bar, type here disk clean up best match that will appear, or you just have to simply press the Windows key and R button together and type here clean mgr, hit enter. Now the same window will appear. So C drive is chosen by default. Now you have to click on OK. In here, just clean up for Windows, you just have to simply check all of these boxes. Now once you have done checking all of these boxes, click on OK. You'll be asked, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on Delete Files. Now the disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine, so you just have to wait for the process to be done. This will not only make your Windows run faster, but this will also free up some space for your Windows. So this is also a great way. Now once done, press the Windows key and R button together. Here in the Run window, or you can simply make a right click at the Start button and then select Run and type here TEMP. Click on OK. Then here you have to click on one folder and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and then hit the delete bin at the top. Do this for all the current times and just click on skip. And once this is done, simply close this window. Then press the Windows key and R button together again. This time you're going to type percentage DEMP percentage. Click on OK. Again, click on one folder and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and then hit the delete bin at the top. Then do this for all the current items and just click on skip. Now, not all of these folders will be deleted, and that is okay because these are used by some programs of your Windows. Then again, press the Windows key and R button together. Here you're going to type prefetch. It's prefetch. Click on OK. Then click on one folder and then hit the delete bin at the top. Now once done, simply close this window. Then we can also delete the virus and malware of our Windows by searching for MRT in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now this is the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. So we are going to click on next. Please choose a type of scan. So this will scan our Windows for any virus and malwares. Now if you're in a hurry, you can go with quick scan, but this will only scan areas of the system which only contain malicious software. Unlike with full scan, this will scan the entire system, but this will just take several hours. Now you have to go with full scan and click on next. And this will start scanning for any virus and malwares of your Windows. Anyway, you can simply multitask with your Windows while you are still running the full scan. You can simply do other things in your Windows. And then once this is done, once the full scan is done, then you just have to simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So once you have restarted your Windows, then this will be faster this time. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.